right, welcome back to the Liz and Ruby Cookie Show! Today, we're making
Pizza edition!
Pizza edition! All right, we're gonna do them on the Traeger. We love our Traeger. And we're gonna go set it at 350. I'm gonna slap that pizza right on there, huh, Ruby?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna do a high protein pizza recipe. So we're gonna use some Greek yogurt. And you wanna do this one?
Sure. Because I am a chef.
You are a chef.
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese, because why not?
Well, that's true.
I'm just gonna start making a dough. Little pieces.
I like getting messy.
All right, so we got the dough. Look at that beautiful, not eating pizza tonight, so we're doing 3 pizzas.
Piece of pizza.
And they look delicious.
One is Daddy's, one is Mommy's, and one is mine.
That's right. Mmm.
I wish we make our own sauce.
Well, maybe next time we will. It'll be our next show.
Yeah.
Cheese!
Yes.
Cheese! Remember, you want to do your own cheese?
Yes!
Well, girlfriend, you gotta sprinkle it around. Some Italian sausage. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
I guess mine is going first.
Ooh, that looks good.
How many?
15 minutes.
That's too much.
It's gonna be worth the wait though. It's been about 20 minutes. Open her up. Dang! High five, Chef Ruby! Oops! Chef Ruby! Oops!
I'm okay.
Alright, Rube. High five! Pizza in the house!
I love pizza.
Thanks
Thanks for coming to the show.
Good night.
Good night.